everyone to my channel. This is the ninth lecture of my data science series. In this video, I will cover the topic regression modeling. In regression modeling, I will cover the topic demonstrate estimation model evaluation using Python, demonstrate stepwise regression using Python. Regression modeling. What is regression modeling? Regression modeling is a statistical technique used in data science to establish a relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. The goal of regression modeling is to create a mathematical model that can predict the value of the independent variable based on the values of the independent variables. Key concepts in regression modeling. First, dependent variable, the variable being predicted or explained. Second, independent variables, variables that potentially influence or predict the depend. Second, independent variables, variables that potentially influence or predict the dependent variable. Third, model coefficients, numerical values that represent the strength and direction of the relationship between each independent variable and the dependent variable. Applications of regression modeling. First, predicting continuous outcomes. Regression modeling is commonly continuous outcomes such as stock prices, temperatures, and energy consumptions. Second, forecasting. Regression modeling is commonly used to forecast future values of a time series. Third, recommendation systems. Regression modeling is commonly used to build recommendation systems that suggest products or services based on user behavior. Fourth, risk analysis. Regression modeling is commonly used to analyze the risk of a particular event or outcome. Fifth, optimization. Regression modeling is commonly used to optimize business processes and improve efficiency. Types of regression models. First, linear regression. This is the simplest form, modeling the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables using a straight line. Linear regression has two types. First one is simple linear regression. This model uses a single independent variable to predict a dependent variable. It assumes a linear relationship between the two. Second is multiple linear regression. This model extends simple linear regression by incorporating multiple independent variables to predict a dependent variable. Second, polynomial regression. This model uses a polynomial equation to fit the data, allowing for more complex relationships between the independent and dependent variables. It's useful when the relationship isn't strictly linear. Third, logistic regression. Although it's named regression, logistic regression is actually a classification model. It's used to predict the probability of a binary outcome. Fourth, ridge regression. This model is used to address the issue of multicollinearity where independent variables are highly correlated. Let's add a penalty term to the regression equation to reduce the impact of these correlated variables. Fifth, lasso regression. Similar to ridge regression, lasso regression also addresses multicollinearity. However, it performs feature selection by shrinking the coefficients of less important variables towards zero. Sixth, random forest regression. This model builds multiple decision trees and combines their predictions to improve accuracy. It's robust to overfitting and can handle complex relationships in data. How regression modeling works. First, data preparation. Gather and clean your data to ensure it's suitable for analysis. Model selection. Choose the appropriate regression model based on the nature of your data and the relationship you expect. Model training. Use algorithms to find the best fitting model. Another topic is demonstrate estimation model evaluation using Python. Step 1 is import libraries. Step 2, load dataset. For example, we will create a synthetic dataset. Let's create a simple linear relationship with some noise. Step 3, split the data. Step 4, train a model. Step 5, make predictions. Step 6, evaluate the model, and the optional is visualize the results. Our another topic is stepwise demonstrate stepwise regression using Python. Stepwise regression is a technique for feature selection that iteratively adds or removes predictors based on their statistical significance in explaining the dependent variable. It is commonly used to identify the most important feature in a regression model. Step 1 is import libraries, load the Boston housing dataset. Step 2, define functions for stepwise regression, forward step, backward step. Step 3, perform stepwise regression. Step 4, evaluate the final model. In the regression modeling, for understanding other topics, stay tuned for further videos. Thank you.